everyone, I am Tejas of 5th grade from Vidyaspurti school. Today we are going to make a rainbow in a glass. Here is what we require to make a rainbow in a glass. Sugar, glasses, water, colors and a syringe. Take equal amount of water in each glasses, approximately around 40 ml. Add 1 spoon of sugar to the first glass, 2 spoons for the second glass, 3 spoons for the third glass, and 4 spoons for the fourth glass, and 5 spoons for the fifth glass. After the sugar is dissolved, add different colors into different glasses. Now the colored solutions are ready. Now we will start making our rainbow. Now take the solution with 5 spoons of sugar and put it in the glass. Now take the solution which has 4 spoons of sugar and add it in the glass. Now add the solution with 3 spoons of sugar. Now add the solution with 2 spoons of sugar. Now add the solution with 1 spoon of sugar. Now our beautiful rainbow is ready. You guys can see it. Now I have taken different color with same amount of water without sugar. And I will be adding to this. By this we know the solution with more density settles down. So the more sugar we mix to the same amount of water, the higher the density of the solution. So we can try with different colors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Samiksha from Vidyaspurti School. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to show you the rainbow in a glass. For this experiment, we need 5 glasses, warm water, a syringe, 4 colors and sugar. So let's get started. In the first glass, we should not add sugar. In the second glass, we should add 2 spoons of sugar. In the third glass, we need to add 3 spoons of sugar. In the fourth glass, we need to add 4 spoons of sugar. In each glasses, we need to add 20 ml of water. Now let's mix it. into this glass. Now first let's add orange water. Now let's add green water. We have added green color, so let's add now red color. Finally, let's add blue water.
My name is Harini from Vidyaspurti School, grade 5. Today I am going to do a sugar rainbow experiment. Come on, let us do. The required ingredients are bowl, water, food color, sugar, syringe, pillars and the experiment. We should add different amount of sugar in each container. 4 spoons of sugar in first container. 3 spoons of sugar in second container. 3 spoons of sugar in third container. 1 spoon of sugar in fourth container. No spoon of sugar in fifth container. So there is no sugar in fifth container. Now let us add 10 ml of water to each container. Sugar completely until it dissolves. Now the sugar solution is ready. We will add different food colors. Now I am adding the blue color to first container. Now I am adding yellow to the second container. Now I am adding the red food color to the third container. Now I am adding the green to the fourth container. Now I am adding the orange color to the fifth container. Mix it well. Now the solution is ready with the different density of sugar. 2 ml of solution from the first container. Drop it slowly to the test tube. Now we will take the second solution carefully. Then add it to the test tube. Let us take the third solution. Let us add slowly. January 5th.